In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google AdSense Publisher ID. This unique identifier is essential for managing your AdSense account, implementing ad codes on your site, and ensuring you get paid for the ads displayed on your platform. So, whether you're a seasoned publisher or just getting started, understanding how to locate your Publisher ID is crucial. To kick things off, navigate to the Google AdSense website. This is your gateway to accessing the myriad features and settings of your AdSense account. Remember, Google AdSense is a fantastic tool that allows website owners to earn money by displaying Google ads on their websites. So if you haven't already signed up and are interested in monetizing your website, I highly recommend checking it out. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In. This action assumes you already have a Google AdSense account. If you don't, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of monetization opportunities for your website. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be redirected to the Google login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Google AdSense account. It's important to use the email you originally registered with to avoid any access issues. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signing into the correct one that's linked to your AdSense account. Following the entry of your email, you'll be prompted to input your password. Make sure to enter your password carefully to ensure you gain access to your account without any hitches. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Google provides helpful steps to recover your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google AdSense homepage. This is where the magic happens and where you can access a wealth of information related to your ad performance, earnings, and settings. Next, you'll want to navigate to the settings of your account to locate your Publisher ID. Look for the Settings option. This is your control panel for everything related to your AdSense account. In here, you can manage payment settings, ad preferences, and more. Within the settings menu, seek out the account information section. This segment of settings holds key details about your AdSense account, including what we're after today, the Publisher ID. The Publisher ID is a unique string of numbers that identifies your AdSense account. You'll need this ID for various reasons, such as when setting up AdSense on a new site, troubleshooting issues with AdSense support, or using certain AdSense features and tools. And there you have it. That's how you can find your Google AdSense Publisher ID in a matter of minutes. Knowing where to find your Publisher ID is essential for effectively managing and making the most out of your AdSense account. Remember, your Publisher ID is a valuable piece of information. While it's not a sensitive secret, it's a good practice to keep it secure and not share it unnecessarily. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of extra tips to keep in mind. First, regularly check in on your AdSense account settings to ensure your information is up to date. Google occasionally updates its interface and offerings, so staying informed is key to maximizing your earnings. Secondly, if you run into any issues accessing your account or navigating through AdSense, Google offers comprehensive support resources and a helpful community forum where you can find answers and share insights with other publishers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you're looking to make the most out of your website through advertising, understanding the ins and outs of Google AdSense, starting with locating your Publisher ID is a great step forward. Happy publishing!